This is day 7 of posting every day about AI, and I'm going to show you my new Gmail automation that automatically tags and labels every email. For high priority emails, it's going to draft a response so I can check it before it sends it off, and have it attached to my Telegram so I can get summarized notifications of what's happening in my inbox. So if you have a cluttered inbox and you want to utilize the power of Gmail labels, this makes it super easy to sort all your emails into whatever categories you like. And I'm going to show you right now. So first, what I want you guys to do is open or download Telegram. And in order to create your bot, you're going to go to bot folder. What you're basically going to do here is you're going to do /new bot. And you're going to give it a name. So I'm naming this bot Bernard. You're going to give it a username with _bot. And then you're going to use this API key in your credential. And so that's how you make your credential. And in order to connect your chat ID, what you're going to do is go to Telegram. You're going to go to Telegram bot raw, and then your Telegram ID, your chat ID should be right here. Once you set all that up, and once you press start, your chat is activated. So let's go into the breakdown. We're going to have a Gmail trigger and set it to every minute. You're going to connect your Gmail credential in which inbox you want this automation to work on. And you're going to label everything as unread. Anything that's unread, this is going to do. A big problem is that a lot of automations you see online right now can summarize text or HTML and don't know how to do both. And so here we go to this set node and you can copy this string right here. Basically what this is saying is you're going to extract the JSON text from the email in order for us to read and summarize it. However, sometimes you get emails that are all HTML. When that's the case, the text classifier doesn't actually know what it's looking at. And so it basically says you're going to extract the text, but if there's no text, you're going to use HTML next. We're going to label this as clean email. So now on our text classifier, we're going to drag and drop our cleaned email version. This is what it's classifying. And now this is where you create your categories and you're going to give a description for each. So what I have is high priority, and this is my description. And I have recruiting info because I'm recruiting right now. There's advertising, so this is going to be anything from promotions to ads. There's finance and billing, so anything finance related. I have UCLA because I go to UCLA, but this is just anything UCLA related. Once you get sent an email, it's going to categorize using this prompt here. And basically, it's going to put it into one of these 6 nodes. All of these are label nodes. If it's a recruiting email, it's going to label it. And so this is the message ID. This is how it knows which email it's labeling. Once it's labeled, we're going to summarize it using this prompt. And this is very important because you need to make sure you're inputting the JSON text here called editfields.item.json.cleaned email. So this cleaned email is what we are summarizing, and we're going to separate it into subject and message. So then when we go to our Telegram node, this message and then what the subject is and then the message that is summarized. So if we go to our Telegram node, this section right here is going to be what our Telegram bot is going to text us every time. And I have this short message labeling the subject and the message. And so if we go to my Gmail right now, our most recent Gmail is for my application from Stride. And as you can see, if we go to my Telegram, Bernard successfully said it's summarized for me, and this is the subject is summarized as well as the message is summarized. And so it works great. I know this went really quick, so if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment and I'll respond to you. I also attached this file in the description below. So if you want to copy this exact automation and workflow, all you have to do is connect your credentials and chat ID, and you can have this AI automation working for you.